guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, my name is Tanya Das. So today I'll be creating a full face party makeup look. So if you are interested to know how I create this look, please keep watching. My skin is already moisturized and prepped, and now I'm gonna apply the foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC40. Now I'm applying the foundation all over my face. I'm using the foundation brush to blend it. This foundation, the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, is such a nice foundation, guys, especially for oily skin girls like me. It gives you the perfect matte finish without even drying the skin, and I'm in the shade NC40. And now I'm using the makeup sponge to make my foundation look even more smooth. And now I'm applying the concealer. This concealer is from Maybelline, the Maybelline Age Divine concealer in the shade medium. And I'm applying the concealer under my eyes, over my eyelids, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead and on my chin, so that these areas look a bit brighter than the rest of my face. And this makeup sponge is from Nykaa, and this is quite good product at a cheap price. And now I'm contouring my face. I'm contouring my cheekbones to make my face look slimmer. I personally prefer the powder contouring. I'm not a very big fan of cream contouring as I have really oily skin. And for oily skin, it's always better to do the powder contouring. Well, I really have a small forehead, so I'm just applying the contour powder on the temples and not on my forehead. And I'm just blending the powder so that it looks smooth. And now I'm applying the baking powder to mattify my skin. This powder is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Makeup Revolution banana powder. This powder is such a nice powder. It keeps your skin matte for a really long time, and it really helps to brighten up your skin. And I'm applying the powder especially where I used the concealer. And now I'm just blending it all over my face so that my skin looks matte. And now I'm contouring my nose so that it gives an illusion of a slimmer nose. I'm just blending it. And now I'm applying the powder all over my face so that everything looks nice. And now I'm applying the eyebrow pencil to draw my eyebrows. This eyebrow pencil is from Maybelline in the shade dark brown, and I really like thick eyebrows, so I'm just trying to making it look thicker. And now I'm doing the eye makeup, and I'm applying a dark violet shade on my eyelid because I'm gonna do a dark violet eye makeup look. And I'm just blending the color. And now I'm trying to blend the color so that the color application looks smooth. And I'm doing the same on the another eye. Now I'm just trying to intensify the color. And I'm just blending it. One thing you have to keep in your mind while applying the eyeshadow is blending, blending and blending. The more you blend, the better it gets. So yeah, I'm just doing this only. And now I'm adding more product to make it look intense. And again I'm blending the color. And now I'm applying a darker violet shade. This look is gonna be gothic, so yeah, I picked up this darker shade. And now I'm blending the color so that everything looks nice and smooth. I'm just blending and blending and blending. I'm doing the same on my another eye. At first I'm applying the darker shade and then I'm blending the color. I'm applying Fix Plus to make my glitter eyeshadow look more intense. And now I'm applying a violet glittery shade to make this eye makeup look dramatic and intense. And now I'm again applying a silver glittery shade to make this makeup look a little bit sparkly. And now I'm applying the liquid eyeliner and I'm drawing a thin line. And now I'm drawing the wing. I always like to draw a nice and sharp winged eyeliner whenever I do makeup. And now I'm using a liquid eyeliner. Now I'm applying the kohl pencil on my waterline so that my eyes look fuller. And now I'm coating my eyelashes with the mascara. This is the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. And Maybelline has such a nice range of mascaras at very cheap prices. And this mascara is one of my favorites. And now I'm applying the mascara on my lower lash line as well. And I always apply 2 or 3 coats of mascara whenever I apply it. And now I'm applying a dark violet shadow on my lower lash line. I'm just trying to intensify the color. And I'm just blending and blending. I'm doing the same on my another eye. And this eyeshadow palette is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. And there are 30 eyeshadows in this palette. I'm just blending the color. And now I'm applying the mascara on my lower lash line again. And now I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. I'm using the Makeup Revolution highlighter to do that. And also I'm highlighting the brow bones. And now I'm applying the blush. This is from Revlon in the shade Classy Coral. I really like a nice peach or coral blush because I think it really complements my skin tone. And this tiny cute brush comes with the product itself. And now I'm highlighting the cheekbones. This highlighter is from Makeup Revolution, the Pro Illuminator highlighter. And this gives you such a nice and natural glow This is a powder highlighter, but it's really smooth in texture. I'm applying the highlighter on my nose as well, and also on my cupid bow. And now I'm applying the lipstick. This lipstick is from NYX in the shade Budapest, and this is such a nice wine color. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed how I created this look. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.